Hey, I'm Puppet Jim, and I'm here to tell you about an update to the Hex-ecution of Raven Hex Kickstarter. We are doing very well thanks to you. Yay! So, tomorrow at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a special cover, a 24-hour cover will be revealed, which means you only have 24 hours to add it to your collection. So, stay tuned, check out what's available, and tell a friend. Keep this magic going, because the more friends that join and pledge, the more free stuff we give you. So thank you once again. Yay!